Hello and welcome to the SuNSE Network for Social Entrepreneurs. This video has been created to provide information with some examples on keeping financial records. My name is Michelle and I am a project manager at SuNSE Ireland. As a project manager, I work with social enterprises with a social intent across a range of sectors and geographical areas. Part of my role is to help entrepreneurs understand the importance of keeping financial records. So why is record keeping so important? Essentially, you are collecting information that will be translated into data used later for your management accounts, for internal and external auditing, and to support future management decision-making processes. Here is a list of some of the records that must be kept and maintained in accordance with legal record requirements. Enterprises are required to keep accounting records. Not only is it enough to keep the records, they must be sufficient to show and explain the business transactions. In order to claim any deductions and expenses owed, you must be able to prove two things: what the expense was for example, purchases of goods, operational costs, and that the expense was in fact paid or incurred. Supporting documents may include sales slips, paid bills, invoices, receipts, deposit slips, and even cancelled checks. The record keeping system you choose should be accurate, reliable, easy to use and follow. Whether it is an electronic system or in paper format, the rules apply in terms of the information you need to input and retain. For example, you need to capture all the information on the receipt or the invoice, for example, such as the transaction date of the expense, name of the supplier, the total amount of the invoice, before VAT and perhaps even after VAT might be useful. Save information in a reliable location and format, and always make sure that you keep a backup of all your records. Take time now to identify what your needs are. For example, if you are currently using a manual recording system, how feasible is it in the longer term? In terms of your budget, how much can you afford to spend on your financial software system? Do your research first and pick a package that will grow with your enterprise over time. Thank you for listening.